Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today we're going to make a really awesome and really simple honey shrimp recipe. It is the perfect recipe for a weeknight dinner. It takes about 15 minutes total, and it's a great recipe if you have a bag of frozen shrimp in the freezer or if you have fresh shrimp, but it could be done with either. It is super easy, and you guys are going to love it. Trust me, it's going to become a favorite of yours. For this recipe, I'm going to be using a bag of Wholey shrimp. This is a great brand. It's responsibly sourced, and the best part about this bag of frozen shrimp is that there is no added water or chemicals to the fish, which a lot of brands do. So Wholey Seafood, great brand. You can find them online. The link is below. So we're going to start by making our honey sauce that's eventually going to go on our shrimp. So we have half of a cup of a honey. I like to use like a good organic honey. But any honey will do. And you're going to want to make sure you get that full. Honey could be a little sticky and hard to work with sometimes, so make sure you get that full half cup right into your bowl. There is just a few more ingredients. You're going to add 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce and about 3 cloves of garlic minced, and then the juice from 1 lemon. Just going to get my lemon in there and give it a squeeze. You're then going to whisk this all together really good until the soy sauce is nicely blended with the honey. So you're going to have to really get in there and whisk, but whisk until it's all blended. You're then going to take 2 tablespoons of butter and add it to a hot pan and let it melt down a little bit. So since our shrimp is actually pre-cooked and it's peeled, deveined, cooked, it's really, really easy. So we're just going to kind of heat it up in the pan. It is fully defrosted. If you are using a frozen shrimp, you're going to want to make sure it's fully defrosted because we're really not going to cook it. We're just going to kind of heat it up. So we're going to dump it in our pan and then just kind of like toss it in that butter. Fresh or frozen, it doesn't really matter for this recipe, but something that is important is that you want a nice size shrimp. You don't want a teeny weeny shrimp, you want like a really good size like this. So whether you have fresh shrimp or frozen shrimp, either is fine, you just want a nice size. So you're just gonna wanna quickly toss that shrimp in the butter. Again, you're not cooking it, so just in a minute or 2 to heat it up. And then we're gonna add our sauce. So just pour your sauce right over your shrimp, and then we're going to give it all a good toss. And once your shrimp has spent a little bit of time in that sauce, you're going to go ahead and plate it. I like to serve mine with broccoli. I think it just goes great together, but feel free to serve yours with whatever you want. It might even be good over some rice, and it is done. So easy, literally a 10 to 15 minute recipe, and it is delicious. Trust me, you're going to love this sauce. It's so good. Make sure to subscribe for more recipes like this every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and enjoy this honey shrimp. Bye-bye.